Nationalism spreads when people begin to believe that they are all part of the same nation. When they discover some unity that binds them together. But how did the nation become a reality in the minds of people? How does nationalism spread? How did people belonging to different communities, regions, or language groups develop a sense of collective belonging? Dear students, today we are going to discover the answers of these questions from the topic sense of collective belongings. Let's have a look. This is the last topic of the chapter, Nationalism in India. As you all know that India is a diverse country. In this country, we are having number of religions, number of regions, number of languages. So we need a collectiveness for the or united struggle to send out the outside force. So how this collectiveness arose? The sense of collectiveness that came partially through the united struggle. But there were variety of cultural process through which the nationalism captured or that entered the minds of the people, like history, fiction, folklores, songs, symbols. These all helped arose the nationalism in the minds of Indians. As you all know that even in their world, the identity of the nation often symbolized as image or some figure. In the 20th century, Indians also have seen the nationalism visibly associated with the image of Bharat Mata. Today also, suppose we are thinking about India, Bharat, so we are always, Bharat Mata is in our mind. 100% that will originate Bharat Mata in our minds. So the same thing happened in the 20th century also. The nationalism was associated with the image of Bharat Mata. The first time Bharat Mata, image of Bharat Mata, that was created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra created the first image of Bharat Mata, not his points. Many people that created Bharat Mata's image, but the first time image was created by Bankim Chandra. And he wrote a hymn also to the motherland. That was also very famous. Not was, is very famous. Which one? Bankim's hymn to motherland was, that time he wrote Vande Mataram. That began to sing in nationalist movement, especially Swadeshi movement in Bengal. Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Afterwards, he added this hymn in his novel, famous novel, Anand Math. Not the point, Anand Math. Vande Mataram, he added in his novel, Anand Math. Afterwards, many people, they portrayed this image of Bharat Mata as a form of calendar, pictures, different ways. But Abhinandan Tagore, he also painted the first image. He created the image and he painted the image. And that was so totally ascetic figure. And in that, Bharat Mata was so calm. She's very calm, composed and spiritual, divine spirit, divine form दिया है, एक divinity दिया है. So हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारे को totally एक ऐसे पूजनीय एक image दिया है. That was totally famous also all over India. In such a way, so collectiveness, चाहे तो साउथ का है या ईस्ट का है या वेस्ट का है, नॉर्थ का, कहीं का भी लोग हो, सबका मन में एक मतलब जो हमारा इंडिया, हमारा भारत, एक फीलिंग कलेक्टिवनेस लेके आया आपका इमेज. This is one example. Mind it, this is a 5-mark question, sense of collective belonging. उसके एक ही पार्ट अभी बोला, image of Bharat Mata. How the images create nationalism or collectiveness in the mind of Indians. That will be explained. The nationalism spread through or developed through the movement of the Indian folklores, means development of Indian folklores also. फोकलोर्स मीन्स पता है आपको, विलेज विलेज में आपको कहानियां, गाना, टेल्स, स्टोरीज, गाना, सॉन्ग्स, ये सब मिलेगा. Bards means poets. They sung this the tales of legends. विलेज विलेज में जाएंगे, आपको पता कि जो क्या बोलेंगे, नंबर ऑफ बार्ड्स होंगे, पोइट्स होंगे, वो क्या करेंगे, विलेज विलेज जाएंगे, उनके पास रोल करके अपने पास कपड़े में जो पिक्चर होगा या आपका पेपर में पिक्चर होगा, वो पॉइंट आउट करके वो क्या क्या बताएंगे, कहानियां बताएंगे शिवाजी महाराज का. इस तरह जो भी द पीपल दोसो मतलब स्पेंड देयर लाइफ, एंटायर लाइफ फॉर द नेशन, उनके बारे में, लेजेंड्स के बारे में. इसलिए अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू, ही वाज आल्सो ए फोक हीरो. सिर्फ फोक हीरो का स्टोरीज, गाना, ये सब कुछ विलेज विलेज में जाकर के वो सिखाता है, गाते हैं. एंड और पोइट, फेमस पोइट, लाइक दो आदमी का नाम इसमें इंडिकेट करना है, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर एंड नटेश शास्त्री. नंबर ऑफ पोइट्स आर देयर, बट ये दोनों आपका बुक में है, सो यू हैव टू मेंशन द नेम ऑफ दीज टू. एंड दे कलेक्टेड द पोएम्स, नर्सरी राइम्स एंड द स्टोरीज, टेल्स. And according to their view, these are the real traditional culture, and which was destroyed by the outside force. So it was mandatory that it should be collected and preserved. So these Rabindranath Tagore and Naresh Shastri, they collected the tales as well as poems. That also created a type of nationalism or collectiveness. Naresh Shastri in Madras, and he wrote 4 massive volumes of Tamil folklore. तमिल फोकलोर लिखा है उसने 4 वॉल्यूम्स का. इसका नाम है द फोकलोर ऑफ सदर्न इंडिया. बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन एक बार पूछता, 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द ऑथर ऑफ द फोकलोर ऑफ सदर्न. उल्टा भी पूछ सकता, नरेश शास्त्री ने लिखा हुआ कौन सी फोक टेल्स, तमिल फोक टेल्स के नाम क्या है, तो आप बोलेंगे द फोकलोर ऑफ सदर्न इंडिया. सो डोंट फॉरगेट द नेम ऑफ नरेश शास्त्री एंड हिज वर्क. सेम रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, इसके बारे में 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन में यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट दिस इमेज. सेकंड आपका फोकलोर, राइट, इसके बारे में आपको लिखना है. एंड ही, दिस नरेश शास्त्री, ही बिलीव दैट द फोकलोर वाज द रियल इंडियन लिटरेचर. As the nationalist movement developed, the leaders became more and more aware about such icons and symbols. They were also inspired with this from these symbols. They understood it is a medium to unite the people. During Swadeshi movement, they designed a flag, tricolor flag. Swadeshi movement, tricolor flag. Please listen carefully. This question separately will come for 3 marks. Role of tricolor flag during the nationalist movement. So during Swadeshi movement, they developed in Bengal only. They developed a flag, tricolor flag. Colors red, green, and yellow, in which there were 8 lotuses which represent the 8 provinces of British India. वो स्वदेशी फ्लैग में उसमें आपका 8 lotuses है which indicate the 8 provinces of British India, and a crescent moon also, crescent moon, which indicate or represent the unity of Hindu and Muslim. Clear? Swadeshi movement flag, tricolor, red, green, yellow, in which 8 lotuses which represent 8 provinces of British India. Apart that, a crescent moon which indicate the unity of Hindu and Muslim. After that, in 1921, Mahatma Gandhi developed a flag, which is Swaraj flag. 1921, Mahatma Gandhi developed Swaraj flag. Color कौन सी है? Red, green, white. Don't miss these 2 colors, right? Swadeshi flag में red, green, yellow, whereas Swaraj flag contains red, green, and white. This was designed by Mahatma Gandhi. This was designed in Bengal during the Swadeshi movement, right? And this contained one wheel, charka, which indicate the Gandhian self-help. One wheel that indicate the or that symbolize the Gandhian self-help. Carrying this flag, holding aloft during the marches, people feel it's a self-defense, right? Another means of creating a feeling of nationalism through the reinterpretation of history. Reinterpretation of history. Britishers saw Indians as primitive, barbarians, and backward, unable to rule the country. मतलब they have given the definition to us. We are primitive, हम आदिवासी हैं. We are backward, हम कभी forward नहीं है, हमें तो इतना developed नहीं है हम लोग. And we are barbarians because we are associated with the forest and all. We are barbarians. We are unable to rule the country. हमें कुछ नहीं आता है. In response, the historian also, they look into the past, the great achievements of the past, and they wrote about the achievements also, about the glorious days when our culture, our religion, our architecture, our science, mathematics, philosophy, law, trade, and craft had flourished in the ancient time. About that they wrote. हम जब रीड करना शुरू करेंगे, पहले हमने रीड कर दिया ब्रिटिशर्स और they were saying that we are primitive. हमने भी पढ़ा ये सच्चा, हम लोग बैकवर्ड है, इन लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे, हम तो बहुत पीछे हैं. हमारे अंदर को फीलिंग, सैड फीलिंग आ गया. But when historians started to write about the glorious moments, glorious days, the past, we came to know about the achievements of the people. Apart that, their views, according to their views, other historians' views, these glorious days started to decline when India colonized. That means, तुम जब से आया है तब से हमारा जो अच्छाइयाँ सब खत्म हो गया. And the historians, they urge the Indians or the readers to take pride of the achievements of the past and to struggle for a change of this miserable life under the British supremacy. ब्रिटिश का अंडर में जो हम लोग मिसरेबल कंडीशन, हमारा जो पादटिक कंडीशन है, उसको चेंज करने के लिए आगे बढ़ो, स्ट्रगल करो. In such a way, this unite the Indians. My dear students, these unity tried to unite the people were not without problem. These two pose the problems because these icons, these symbols, all they developed from the Hindu iconography. So, the people of other communities felt left out. Thank you. Yes, students, please look here. Maps questions also will come from this chapter. A number of map questions are there. All these map questions you have to learn. First is a place where session of Indian National Congress held in September 1920. Then after December 1920, place of Peasant Satyagraha in Gujarat. Place where session of Indian National Congress in 1927. Place in Gujarat where CDM took place. Place in Bihar where movement in indigo planters took place. Place where session of Indian National Congress was held in 1929. Chauri Chaura incident. Place associated with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. A place cotton mill workers at the Ghat took place. See, map clearly mentioned each and everything. Place where session of Indian National Congress was held in September 1920. September 1920, that is Calcutta only, clearly marked. So this question you have to please understand and see the marking also. मैप क्लियरली मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ. 1927 का कांग्रेस सेशन वो है आपका, देखो यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहा है मद्रास. ये मद्रास आपका तमिलनाडु में है. डोंट फॉरगेट अबाउट द स्टेट ऑल्सो. 1927 कांग्रेस सेशन. 1920 सितंबर का है कोलकाता. कलकत्ता भले कलकत्ता है, अभी कोलकाता है तो पहले कलकत्ता बोलेंगे. 1920 सितंबर, ये वेस्ट बंगाल में है. अगला है 1920 दिसंबर. देखो यहाँ पर है नागपुर. नागपुर सेशन है 1920 दिसंबर में. नागपुर आपका महाराष्ट्र में है, इधर ही मार्क करना है आपको. और आपका चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट देखो, आप क्लियरली मेंशन किया है. चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट 22 पुलिसमैन डाइड, मर्डर्स. ये यूपी और बिहार, ये यूपी होता है, ये बिहार होता है. दोनों का, बिहार और यूपी का बॉर्डर में आपका चौरी चौरा मीन्स गोरखपुर यूपी. और ये चंपारण बिहार में जब महात्मा गांधी का सत्याग्रह है 1917 1816 वाला, वो आपका सत्याग्रह ये चंपारण फर्स्ट वन चंपारण, ये मार्क करना है. ये आपका है अमृतसर, जालियनवाला बाग है, पंजाब अमृतसर का है। ये आप देख लेना, पंजाब अमृतसर दिखाई दे रहा है। देन आपका 1929 में जो लाहौर में कांग्रेस सेशन हुआ था ना, पूर्ण स्वराज, ये पाकिस्तान है, पाकिस्तान में मार्क करना लाहौर। देन नीचे आप आएंगे, ये तीनों गुजरात में है, चारों गुजरात में है। अहमदाबाद कॉटन मिल वर्कर्स के लिए अहमदाबाद में महात्मा गांधी सत्याग्रह। देन एक खेदा गुजरात का सत्याग्रह, राइट। देन डांडीज आपका सॉल्ट मार्च वाला, ये बरडोली आपका बुक में नहीं है लेकिन बहुत बार एग्जाम में आ चुका है। बरडोली कौन सी पता है? नो टैक्स कैंपेन, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। नो टैक्स कैंपेन पूछे तो बरडोली गुजरात, ये चारों गुजरात में है, राइट। सो ये गुजरात का चारों हो गया, अहमदाबाद, खेदा, डंडी एंड बरडोली। ये लाहौर आपका 1929 कांग्रेस सेशन। ये अमृतसर पंजाब का जालियनवाला बाग। ये आपका चौरी चौरा यूपी का है और 22 पुलिसमैन डाइड वाला। ये चंबरन बिहार है। ये नागपुर 1920 दिसंबर सेशन। ये 1920 सितंबर सेशन कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल। ये आपका मद्रास है 1927, मद्रास मुस्लिम लीग और कांग्रेस का नेगोशिएशन। ये ओनली बुक में ओनली 1927 लिखा है, मद्रास कुछ लिखा नहीं है। सो यू ऑल्सो these many maps will come from the nationalism in India. Please note it down, and this also may please draw this or mark this and paste in your copy. Thank you. Now it is questionnaire. I will give you the questions, 4 questions mainly from this topic I will give you, and try to understand the answers also. First question is this: what did the image of Bharat Mata painted by Abanindranath Tagore portray?
Bharat Mata is portrayed as an ascetic figure. She is calm, composed, divine, and spiritual. This mother figure came to be seen as evidence of one's nationalism. Mother figure shown as dispensing learning, food, and clothing.
Right. Second is, who designed the Swaraj flag? What were the features of this flag? How was it used as a symbol of defense? Right?
1921, Gandhiji had designed the Swaraj flag. It was given tricolor, red, green and white, and had a spinning wheel in the center representing the Gandhian ideal of self-help. Carrying the flag, holding it aloft during marches became a symbol of defiance.
Right. Next is third one. Ideas of nationalism also developed through a movement to revive Indian folklore. Explain. Or, how did the idea of nationalism develop a movement to revive Indian folklore? Give 3 points. Right?
History and fictions, folklore and songs, popular prints and symbols all played a part in the making of nationalism. In the late 19th century India, nationalists began recording folk tales sung by bards, and they toured villages to gather folk songs and legends. This was done to promote the traditional culture that had been corrupted and damaged by the Western forces. To revive the folklore, Rabindranath Tagore himself collected ballads, nursery rhymes, and myths, and led the movement of the folk revival. A massive 4-volume collection of Tamil folk tales, The Folklore of Southern India, was published by Natesa Sastry. He believed that folklore was national literature. It was the most trustworthy manifestation of people's real thoughts and characteristics.
Right answer. Next question is 5-mark question. Nationalism spread when people began to believe that they are all part of the same nation. Justify the statement, or explain the major factors which promoted a sense of nationalism in the Indians. So you have to write all these things: united struggle, cultural processes, Bharat Mata, image of Bharat Mata, revival of Indian folklore, reinterpretation of history. Right? All these things you have to mention as a subheadings and write the points about regarding all these. Right? And Please write this question or copy and study well. If you have any problem, feel free to ask at any time. Thank you. Have a nice day.